This is the first of a series of screencast videos demonstrating the new Windows Object Capture and Scrolling Window Capture feature of Screenshot Captor version 3. I'm going to start a Windows Object Capture with the Capture menu, but normally you might do this with a hotkey or through the System Tray menu. And you can see the main window has hidden, and it's revealed my desktop. And you can see this little red border is tracking my cursor and the windows on the screen and the sub controls of windows on the screen. Each of these can be captured, and if you select a window it'll capture it. So let's just select one of these windows, like the calculator. For almost all Windows applications you can now control click to capture it. There are occasional Windows applications that will block this and require you to go and initiate the capture from this menu here. But I'm just going to go in here, select this window, and do Control and then click the left click of the mouse, and we see the new Object and Scrolling Capture Tool dialog. This shows us a preview of the object that we've just captured, and now we can just hit 1 to save it, 2 to save it and capture another, 3 to begin a scrolling window, or 4 to capture this window and all of its children. So let me just hit 1, or I'll just click 1 to show you the basic action. You can see it's captured the window that I've selected. That's fairly common. In fact, normally if you just wanted to do that, you would just select the window and do an active window capture. Where it's useful is if you want to capture sub-controls. So let me delete this capture. And let's go back and do another Windows Object Capture. This time let's capture just this little control here. So I'm going to control click, and you can see there's the preview, and I'm going to say save it and choose another. Now I'm going to select this interior, save it and choose another. Now I'll select this whole window, save and choose another, and now I'll do this backspace. And now I'm going to save and done. And what you can see here is, here are the 4 objects I captured. First I captured the edit control, then the interior of Notepad, then the full Notepad window, then the backspace button. So the capture Windows object can be a very quick way to capture lots of windows, lots of controls if you're documenting some software. Now occasionally you'll want to, let's say you're making a help page and you want to document each button, whatever. In that case, what you can do is select the entire window or sub-panel. But let's select the entire window. I'm going to control click. And I'm going to say capture multiple images, 1 for each child control. Now it's going to capture every single control there. And you'll see it's popped back up. And on the left-hand panel, you can see it's captured 1 image for each of the child controls. Each of the buttons, the edit control, and the full window. So we started here and it went down. You can see it's numbered them 2, 3, and so on. So there you have, what have I shown you so far? I've shown you the, let's select one of these to see. I've shown you select and save a selected object region. That's the simplest case. I've shown you how to quickly capture multiple objects by choosing save and choose another. And I've showed you how to capture all the child controls for a window. And on the next video I'm going to show you the more elaborate operation of capturing a scrolling window.